Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I'll show you how you can customize watermark of your photos in the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. So, I'll start off in the camera app, then go to the settings and look for the watermark. Tap on it, and how you can see, there we have a few options to edit. You can change the model name or add some other tags. Like in my case, you can also add a date and time. If you want to change the font, tap on it and choose the favorite one from there. And you can also change the watermark position. I will choose the center one. And now if you will take a photo, how you can see, now we have our watermark in this place. Defaultly, it's look like this one. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.